Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're making a panda craft with these items. So anyway, Reese has been wanting to make this for a long time, right Reese? Also, this craft is inspired by a tutorial on ABC Mouse. So here's what you'll need. Scissors.
And glue.
Yeah, glue too. A white pencil. And 2 sheets of black paper. So let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started. Let's get started. What?
Alright, so let's get your sheets of black paper. Here, Reese, you can have one too.
Okay.
So now you're gonna draw 2 ovals. So
Wait, about me to have pencil.
let's see if I have a white pencil for you. Ow. Ow!
You okay? Thank you.
Alright, let's do it.
Draw elbow.
There. Let's draw another oval. And remember guys, when you draw your oval, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to look something like this. Alright, now let's cut our ovals out.
When my drawing's okay. I've done dinosaur.
Alright, next we need to draw a triangle.
Okay, here's one. So this is a second circle.
So this is what we have so far. 2 circles, 2 ovals, and 1 triangle. So now we're going to draw a big rectangle.
I got this.
Okay, Reese, can I borrow your scissors, please?
Wait, I got this.
No! I'm doing it. Wait. Wait. That's funny.
I have scissors now.
Absolutely.
Mom, cheaper hat.
Okay, so we got it 4. Now you have to round it in a minute.
Yeah, a nice body.
Let's count them, Reese. How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Wait.
10. Mom, lower scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need my own scissors, please, Mom.
We'll have to get you some, okay?
Okay, I need new
You just come
scissors.
around like that.
I need new scissors. High five.
Yeah. That's one good.
Damn, it's fine.
Mom,
Okay.
So here are the 4 paws. Now, so you're going to flip it and put it like this. And then you can press on it. What to do. Hey Reese, put this here.
Okay. It's the panda's body.
Oh, can't forget the ears. Here, you put this one on. Alright, Reese, put this here. Ooh, right there. Yeah, push it down a little. There. Next, here, put this one here, Reese. Hey, where's this guy? Yay! Now put the last one.
You ready?
Yay! Yay! You made your panda, Reese.
Yes, it's so happy.
Alright, Reese, we're saying bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like these.
See you later. Bye.